Hey, good morning all of you. I hope you all are doing well. Beta, in the chapter All Human Beings Are Equal, our today's topic is Fighting for Equality. Okay? After discussing Fighting for Equality topic, we are going to discuss one assignment also. And for your better reference, for your better understanding, I have added a answer sheet also in the description box. But how to use that answer sheet? Listen it carefully. First of all, try answer writing by yourself. Okay? Then if you are not able to frame answers, go back to the video, watch again and try to understand the concept. Take reference of the book also. If after doing all these efforts you are not able to frame the answer, you can comment me, write your query, or you can go back to the answer sheet and check the answer and then rewrite it. Okay? And for back exercise beta, there are MCQs and there are fill-ups. So try attempting it in the book only. Fine? And in case of any doubt, you are free to write to me in the comment box. And for short answer, for assignment, I have added an answer sheet today. Okay? So you can take help of that. I hope that this answer sheet is going to teach you few things about answer writing. So take help and try to come up with good answers. Clear? So today's topic is Fighting for Equality. Let's begin. All human beings are equal. In this chapter, today's topic is Fighting for Equality. So what is equality? The state of being equal, especially in status, in rights or opportunities. Yes or no? And beta, during the freedom struggle, we have seen Dalit, women, tribals and farmers. They fought not only for freedom from foreign rulers, but also for dignity and equality in their own country. For example, women wanted to be educated just like the men. Dalit fought for the right to enter temples, and farmers and tribals wanted to be free of the control of moneylenders who charged high rate of interest. In the same way, throughout the world, in every community, village, city and town, we can see that there are some people who are known, who are respected because of their fight for equality. These people may have stood up against an act of discrimination that they faced, that they witnessed. Yes or no? Or they may be well respected because they treat all persons with dignity and are therefore trusted and called upon to resolve issues in the community. You can very well see in the picture, there are public personalities here who were known for their acts. They stood up every time against an act of discrimination that they faced or that they witnessed. Because of this, they get respect, they get love from the nation. Yes or no? So what is the main reason behind that? That they treated all persons with dignity and they always fought against an act of discrimination. So beta, if we'll talk that what special steps have been taken by the government to prevent discrimination against certain groups of people. Okay, so which groups are added into these categories? Now see, these are the people belonging to the following categories. See now, scheduled caste. In the caste system, the lowest range of the system is occupied by scheduled caste. These people were earlier considered as untouchables. Scheduled tribes, they were the forest dwellers or people who belonged to tribes. They were considered outcasts and were discriminated against. Then other backward classes and minorities. The people of backward classes are the ones who are socially and economically disadvantaged or backward. Because of this, they are in this category. Women and children. Due to the mindset of the society, beta, many women are discriminated against, and we have discussed it in our last discrimination video. They are denied for their basic rights of life and livelihood. Children born in the economically weaker section of the society are also exploited in the form of child labor, which in turn hampers their overall growth. For this, the government had stipulated required laws. Then the next category is physically challenged people. People with disabilities are treated differently than other people. They are often harassed, taken advantage of, or they are not given their due rights. Due to the prevalent discrimination against the above mentioned groups, the Constitution has laid down a set of guidelines for their protection that we are going to study in the next class. But today what we have done, we studied the categories in which the government have taken the steps. The government have come up with rules and laws for these categories which required lot of protection. Yes or no? To give them equal right and to give them power so that they can confidently face the world and face the society, to give them strength. So what are those groups that we have studied? Okay, so today in this topic, fighting for equality, we did what is the meaning of equality, and after that we have seen the list that which are those categories. For them special steps were taken by the government. Okay, now beta, next is assignment. Now see the assignment from the last 2 videos which we have done. I have not given any of the questions, so now there are questions from all those 2 videos and from today's video. So look at the questions carefully and then I will instruct about answer writing also. So question number 1 is, why do some people make fun of those who are different? This we have discussed in first part. And next is, what can be prejudice be guided by? After that you are going to write the meaning of prejudice in the next question. Question number 4 is, what is discrimination? Question number 5 is, define the term stereotype. And the last question from today's video is, name the categories of people for whom special steps have been taken by the government. So the list which we have just now understood and discussed, that list is the answer of this answer number 6. Now beta, for your answer writing, to make it more easy, I have added answer writing sheet in the description box. But first of all, you are going to write the answers by yourself. Then you can refer answer writing sheet which is in the description box. So I am going to add assignment, this assignment sheet and answers of these questions also in the assignment sheet, which you will get in the description box. Okay, but you have to promise me that you will write down the answers first by yourself. After that you can cross check it with the answer writing list. Clear? So you can check it from the answer sheet which I am adding now in the description box. Clear? I hope this sheet of mine is going to help you a lot when you are going to write the answers. This is it in the concept. In the next video of this chapter, we are going to do fundamental rights. Fine. This is it for today, beta. Thank you so much. Keep watching, keep learning.